We had a teacher who scarred us for life by saying you shouldn't bully anyone because if they commit suicide and name you in the final note, you'll rot in jail forever. Now that I think of it, while her intentions were good, it's so wrong to scare a school kid like that. I agree. In fact, that's not the only place where your teacher went wrong. In one case, four people were convicted under sections 306 and 114 of the Indian Penal Code for abetment to commit suicide. The deceased consumed poison and died in 2009. The prosecution case was that these people, the appellants, had blackmailed the deceased by using compromising photographs and videos, leading to his suicide. The appellants contended that the prosecution case was not supported by material evidence and that there was no intention on their part to aid or instigate the suicide. They also pointed out that the so called suicide note was placed before the police 20 days after the death of the deceased and no reliance could be placed on it. The Supreme Court noticed that there were significant inconsistencies in the evidence of prosecution witnesses, including a delay of 20 days in lodging the first information report and contradictions in the testimony of key witnesses. The court also noted that there was no recovery of any incriminating material from the accused persons. It held that the prosecution had failed to prove the charge against the appellants beyond all reasonable doubt and that there was no clear mens rea to commit the offence. The court observed that the alleged suicide note was highly suspect due to the delayed and controversial circumstances in which it surfaced. It also noted that the recovery of the trace of poison consumed by the deceased was crucial, but no such recovery was made. So, the apex court acquitted the appellants, holding that the conviction was not sustainable. I wish our teacher had shared something useful like this instead of frightening us back then. Head to the comments to share your thoughts on this verdict and join our membership program on YouTube so you always have timely access to important information like this.